All right, what's up, everybody? It's Zaddy Daddy Dre, and today we're gonna make some tuna egg salad. It's delicious. I like to eat this. It consists of 6 eggs and 2 cans of tuna, some mayo, mustard, and green onions, salt and pepper, and it is good to make sandwiches. So here we go. Let's get started. First things first is we want a pot. We want 6 eggs. 4, 5, 6. Fill it up with cold water. There we go. And then put that sucker on boil. Once it starts boiling, you give it 10 minutes and then throw it in an ice bath, and it'll be easy to peel. The first 2 eggs, you're going to want to make the mash. Yeah, we'll go through that. Real easy, real easy. All right, here we go with our green onions. Go into the fridge. Got green onions. I do that for spinach dip and the egg salad. There we go. We got our green onions. So we got tuna in oil, green onions, mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper. Woo! We're not messing around here. We've got our ice bath. And then our eggs are boiling, and we've got a timer set. So we are just waiting for our eggs to finish. What? All right. I got 4 tablespoons of mayo. That's the big T. I'm gonna drop that in here. Oh. And 4. Now we got 1 teaspoon mustard. There we go. This, we want to leave it like that until we get our eggs ready. So here we go. Here we go. You can pull them out early. It's okay. I'll let you. Dump them in the egg bath. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. Got an explosion on this one. Yeah, the egg bath, it really makes it, not the egg bath, the ice bath, it really makes it like super easy to peel. Well, that's egg number 6. Okay, we got our eggs. So the first 2 eggs we want to take and like make. First 2 eggs we want to take and make like the mash. So what we're gonna do. I've got this thing. I don't know where I found it or where I got it, but it's really good. You can kind of push the egg through. We'll do that with the first 2 eggs. Kind of cuts it up in squares just by like pushing it through. We're going to take a fork and we're going to just mash it up. I think maybe a food processor would be good for this, but I've been using the fork, and the fork is decent. Kind of makes the creamy so that's that. Now that we have our creamy base, we just do the remainder of the eggs. Just the 4 eggs. So I like this thing because it's just, instead of chopping or slicing and dicing, you can just push it through. And now, cans of tuna. You want to drain the oil. And then just dump it right in. Damn it. It's time to add the green onions. Do, 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 do. And then we're going to mix. You do want to add some salt and some leftover green onions. Some pepper. I like some extra pepper. Everybody loves pepper. Get yourself a teeny spoon and try it out, and that's some good egg salad with tuna, Zaddy Daddy style.